Kansas City will not have Salvador Perez until 6 weeks after the star receiver twisted the medial guarantee on his left knee while carrying a suitcase down the stairs of his home. The injury occurred on Tuesday night, when the Royals returned to Kansas City from spring training. The five-time All-Star heard a pop and immediately called Royals coach Nick Kenney, who advised Perez to freeze his knee and undergo an MRI exam on Wednesday. The exam revealed a grade 2 sprain with a small ligament tear. Surgery is not required, and recovery can take only 4 weeks. But the bizarre injury leaves the Royals without one of their best hitters when they open against the White Sox on Thursday. Fortunately, said the manager of the Royals, Ned Yost, is shorter than longer. Perez wore a thick black brace over his knee when he arrived at Kauffman Stadium for the club's last preseason session on Wednesday. Later, he told reporters what bothered him most about the injury is that it happened at home, rather than in the middle of the competition.